Hello, Heartland fans! Welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest news and updates on your favorite family drama. If you love Heartland as much as we do, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. In this video, we are going to tell you everything you need to know before the premiere of Heartland Season 17. Yes, you heard that right. Heartland is coming back for its 17th season and we are super excited about it. But before we get into the details, let's take a moment to appreciate how amazing this show is. Heartland is the longest-running one-hour scripted drama in Canadian television history, and it has won numerous awards. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time and accolades over the years. It is based on the best-selling book series by Lauren Brooke, and it follows the lives of the Bartlett-Fleming family, who live and work on a horse ranch in Alberta. The show features a talented cast of actors, including Amber Marshall, Michelle Morgan, Sean Johnston, Chris Potter, Graham Wardle, Alicia Newton, and many more. Heartland is not just a show about horses. It is a show about family, love, friendship, courage, and overcoming challenges. It is a show that touches our hearts and makes us feel good. It is a show that has a loyal fan base all over the world who eagerly await each new episode. So, when can we expect to see Heartland Season 17? Well, we don't have an official release date yet, but we can make some predictions based on the previous seasons. In Canada, it is likely to air on CBC starting in October 2023, as it has done for the past couple of years. But in the UK and other countries, it may take longer to arrive or other streaming platforms. Usually, there is a gap of several months between the Canadian and international release dates. For example, Season 16 premiered in Canada in October 2022. But it only arrived on UK in March 2023. So if you are not in Canada, you may have to wait until early 2024 to watch Season 17. But don't worry, we have some good news for you too. Heartland Season 17 will be a special one, because it will mark the 250th episode of the series. Can you believe it? That's an incredible achievement for any show, and we are so proud of the cast and crew for making it happen. The first episode of Season 17 will be the milestone episode, and we are sure it will be epic. We don't know much about the plot yet, but we can expect some surprises and celebrations. We also know that some of our favorite actors will be directing some episodes this season. Chris Potter, who plays Tim Fleming, will be directing episodes 1703 and 17,043. He has been directing episodes of Heartland since Season 3, and he always does a great job. Michelle Morgan, who plays Lou Fleming Morris, will be directing episodes 1705 and 1706. She made her directorial debut in Season 16 with episode 1610, and we loved her work. We can't wait to see what they have in store for us this season. As for the storylines, we can expect Season 17 to continue where Season 16 left off. In Season 16, we saw Amy, Amber Marshall, and Ty, Graham Wardle, face some challenges in their marriage after Ty returned from Mongolia with a life-threatening illness. We also saw Lou, Michelle Morgan, struggle with her long-distance relationship with Mitch, Kevin McGarry, who moved to New Zealand for work. We saw Jack, Sean Johnston, deal with some health issues and reconnect with his old friend Lisa, Jessica Steen. We saw Tim, Chris Potter, cope with his addiction and find new love with Janice, Miranda Fregan. We saw Georgie, Alicia Newton, pursue her equestrian dreams and romance with Quinn, Michaela Lucy too. And we saw Jade, Madison Chieto, graduate from high school and prepare for college. What will happen next? Well, according to the official synopsis of Season 17, the Heartland family know better than most that while dreams can sometimes come true, more often life takes us in unexpected directions. The new season is all about embracing the unexpected. It's about new experiences and taking the path less traveled. In Season 17, the Bartlett-Fleming family will find themselves excited for the future and ready to embrace new adventures, challenges, and relationships. But no matter how much things may change, Amy, Lou, Jack, and Tim will continue to fight for what they believe in while staying rooted in the land that has been in the Bartlett-Fleming family for generations. That sounds amazing, doesn't it? We are so excited to see what Season 17 will bring us, and we hope you are too. Let us know in the comments below what you are most looking forward to in the new season. And don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow Heartland fans. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.